All right, going through your quadratic word problem or your quadratic equations for today. Remember, we're just using square roots here. So our first step on number one is going to be just like solving a regular equation. We're going to add 3 to both sides. So that gives me that x squared equals 25. And when we get to here, remember to cancel a square, we take the square root. And that cancels out, leaving you with x. And just don't forget, whenever you take the square root of 25, most of you are going to say 5, but we have to have a plus and a minus. So x could equal 5 or negative 5. Don't forget that plus or minus, that's key. So the same thing you would do here for number 2. You're going to subtract 2, which is going to give us 49. And then we're going to take the square root. So it's going to be x is equal to plus or minus 7. Okay, now number 3 is a little different. You're going to move the 30. Okay, so I'm going to add 30, and that's going to give me 64 equals 2x squared. But we got to get rid of this 2. So we're going to divide by 2 first. Okay, and now this time when we take our square root, it's not a perfect square anymore. So we're going to use our square root knowledge, and we're going to break that down into 16 times 2. What's the square root of 16? You would say 4. So the square root of 2 inside, and that equals x. And then again, we just put the plus or minus in front for that answer. Okay, so that was 1, 2, so let's jump down here to 7. I'm going to do 7. I'm probably not going to do 8. I'll let you do that one, okay? But we're going to add 100 here. So it's going to be 8x squared equals 160. And we're going to divide by 8. So x squared is going to equal 20. And then same process, y'all. Take the square root. So 20 is not perfect. We break that down into 4 times 5, and the square root of 4 would give me 2 on the outside, 5 on the inside. Don't forget your plus minus. Okay, so you can try number 8. So in terms of the exponent rule problem, you're going to start with the exponent here, so that's going to make that 25 into the negative 8 and into the 6. And now we're going to multiply the big number, so 250, and add your exponents. 5 plus negative 8 gives me negative 3. Negative 3 plus 6 gives me positive 3. And remember, we can't end with a negative exponent, so it's going to be 250 into the positive third over into the positive third. All right, and then I did jump to number 12. This graph's going to be kind of hard for you to see, but I'll do my best. You do need to get y by itself first here, so I'm going to move my x. That's going to make it negative. And then I'm going to divide by negative 2. Okay, warning, warning, you divided by a negative, so you do have to flip your sign. These 2 negatives become a positive, minus 2. Okay, so on your graph, you're going to start at negative 2. Like I said, just bear with my graph, y'all, because it's really, really small on here. And then we're going to go up 3 and right 2. Okay, and then some of y'all on your test forgot that you have to worry about whether the line's dotted or solid. This line's going to be dotted. And then we're greater than, so we're going to shade above. Okay, so that should help you out with some of your homework today. If you watch this video, then tomorrow on your integer quiz that we have, put a star up by your name, and I will give you extra credit.